Hello, I'm Mike Logan from Logan Family Counseling, also the webmaster for AskMikeTheCounselor2.com. And it's February 4th, and we're getting real close to Valentine's Day, and I'm not sure if you've been watching network TV. Perhaps you've seen Helen Fisher, Ph.D. from Rutgers, who has just written a book, Why Her, Why Him, and has done a lot of research into, well, actually she's observed brains of in-love people using functional magnetic resonance imaging. And she's been able to locate the parts of the brain that are active when we're really in love. What she did was she took couples who proclaimed undying love for each other, that early stage of love, infatuation, and put them in the functional magnetic resonance imaging machine and showed them pictures of their beloved, and then observed what happens in their brains. Excuse me, and the same things happened for all of those people. And she was able to take a look at this behavior, and it's behavior that involves one part of the brain that sends out a lot of dopamine and really fires up the motivational and the craving and the desiring parts of the brain. The same parts of the brain that are active when, for example, I'm using cocaine. So she's saying now that it's possible for us to find love utilizing a typology. She's created a quiz, and she's partnered with a company called chemistry.com, and she is working on, has actually observed, or 40,000 responses to this quiz, which is a large sample and should provide some real good statistical reliability and validity. And she is working to help people find matches based on this brain science and observations, and it is a very interesting process to observe and to read about. Okay, so what I want you to do, if you want more information about this, and I have to go pick up my daughter in a few minutes, so I'm going to stop here for now, is to go to my website and look for the pages about chemistry of love, or the science of love, or the biology of love, for more information about Helen Fisher's work. It is fascinating. It doesn't take the poetry and the mystery out of the experience of love, but it does talk about how we can manage the physiological, neurological aspects of it effectively. In other words, we don't have to, while we're in love, we don't have to, and moving from one stage of love to the second stage or to the third stage. She says there are 3 stages to love. We can move through that and without getting lost. So that's all for today. AskMikeTheCounselor2.com for the chemistry of love, the biology of love, or the science of love. Thank you.